Which box has 12 whales? All right, so this green box here, let's see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, that's not 12 whales. This one right over here, you see, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whales. So that's not 12. So it's got to be this one, but let's just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, this one has 12 whales in it. Let's check our answer. Let's do a few more of these. How many sheep are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 sheep. There are 17 sheep. Let's do one more. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers.